Xiaomi has started selling its new Black Shark gaming tablet globally. The device was teased earlier and later appeared on the Black Shark website with full specifications, but no pricing or availability details. It is now available through the official Black Shark store on AliExpress with worldwide shipping. The tablet has a compact 8.8-inch design focused on gaming. It weighs 332 g and is 7.7 millimeters thick. The body is made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy with laser-finished detailing. It comes in black and silver color options. The device is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The chipset includes an octa-core CPU with speeds up to 3.0 GHz and a 40 TOPS NPU. Black Shark claims an AnTuTu score of more than 1.9 million. The tablet runs Android 16 out of the box. It includes 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Storage can be expanded by up to 2 TB using a TF card. The display is a 2.5K panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It has a pixel density of 343 ppi and reaches up to 600 nits of peak brightness. The panel supports the DCI P3 color gamut and is factory calibrated with Delta-1 color accuracy. Cooling is handled by a large vapor chamber, multiple graphene sheets, and a metal cooling structure with a total thermal material area of 25,176 mm². There is also an optional magnetic external cooler available for additional cooling. Connectivity features include dual-band Wi-Fi 6 with 2x2 MIMO, Bluetooth 5.4, and DisplayPort output with support for 4K video. Audio comes from symmetrical dual speakers powered by a K9 smart amplifier. The tablet has a 7,300 mAh battery rated for up to 5.6 hours of gaming, 10.3 hours of web browsing, 7 hours of video playback, and up to 76 hours of music playback. It includes a 13MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera. The Black Shark gaming tablet is currently shipping worldwide, including the United States. It is available in black and silver with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Pricing is listed at $670.97 with import charges included. In the UK, it costs £558.59, and in the Eurozone, it is priced at €635.69.